Alright, so the lighting is terrible, but I'm going to show you guys like my morning smoothie. So what I've been trying to do is eat a little better like a lot of other people, or like a lot of people in general. So here's some kale, mango, cantaloupe, regular blueberries, frozen blueberries, watermelon, almond milk, oat milk, hemp milk, rice milk, coffee creamer just for a little bit of flavor to, balance out with the kale, and then, oh yeah, where is it? Blue agave. So give me 1 second. Oh, and so far I have the frozen blueberries and regular blueberries, the mangoes, and then I'm going to start putting the rest of the ingredients in the blender. It's actually better if you have a NutriBullet, but if you're just like me with a regular blender, still works, but a NutriBullet's better. Couple pieces of cantaloupe. I'll throw 6 in there. And it's actually better if you buy the fruits whole and then you just cut them up yourself, but I'm lazy, so I spend a couple extra dollars to buy it pre-cut. And then for the kale, my hands are pretty big, so I put a handful, which is usually about like 3/4 of a cup. And then if you do that every day, you're supposed to eat, what is it, like 3 to 4 cups of kale a week, or 3 to 4 servings of kale a week, whatever. 3/4, and then you do that 5 days a week, and you get more than enough kale. So, boom, this is good. It's really, it like folds up the thing a lot, but once you blend it, it just like levels itself out because this stuff is all, fluffy. Here's the watermelon. Gonna probably throw another 6-7 pieces in here. Boom, good enough. And I don't measure anything, I just do it by eye. Boom, some almond milk. And you don't really need to put a lot of each because, you're putting various kinds. So you can just boom, eyeball it. Boom. And I've done this like many times, so like I usually get the proportions good enough from just like, what do you call it, eyeballing it. But yeah, boom, boom. Boom. And then I'm going to leave this one out for now, and I'm going to bring it to the blender. Plug your blender in if it's not already. Boom. Put this thing on right there. Boom. On. And then make sure everything is, sealed up. And I usually just put it on the highest setting first. You could also put protein powder. I do that a lot, but I don't have any at the moment, so there's none for me to add. And then, should be good now. Now, we taste it. Boom. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm pretty sure you can. It's crazy how something healthy can taste so good. And it has kale in it. Something I really don't like, because kale tastes like dirt. But this was wonderful. And it replaces a meal, because this is actually a pretty big amount. And you guys can see it's kind of frothy at the top, which I don't like, but and with a NutriBullet that usually reduces the amount of froth, but it's fine. This is wonderful. Being healthy really is not hard.